Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for some awesome tea towels for your kitchen, you have to check out Utopia Kitchen. These tea towels are awesome. So here's an idea of how big it is. It's pretty big. It's 28 inches by 28 inches, and I love that they're just all white. You can also pick from different colors, but the white ones are fun because you can also customize them. So for example, on this one, I used my Cricut machine and I put stop and smell the oils on this. And so that makes for a fun gift for friends and family, or just something fun to have in your kitchen. These tea towels are super absorbent for drying the dishes efficiently, and they're also really great for cleaning. They do a great job at cleaning up your kitchen as well. So I highly recommend that you check out Utopia Kitchen for their tea towels. You're gonna love having them in your kitchen and around your house for cleaning, drying dishes, whatever you use tea towels for. They also make great gifts when you customize them. So definitely check out Utopia Kitchen. You won't be disappointed, but that's just my point of view.